In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip text in Canva, mirrored text, plus flip vertical and horizontal. If you've ever wanted mirrored lettering for a reflection effect, or to flip text vertically for a design twist, this quick workflow will get you clean, crisp results right inside Canva. We'll style the text, export it properly, bring it back in, and then flip it exactly how you need. Start by opening your design in Canva. You can use an existing project or create a new one at any size. Once you are in, add your text box and style it exactly as you want it to appear in the final design. Choose your font, set the size, adjust spacing and alignment, and pick the color. It's usually easiest to keep everything as one text box so the layout stays consistent when you flip it. If your design has a busy background, consider placing the text over a solid color temporarily so edges remain clean later. Next, it's time to download. Click Share in the top right. Then select Download. Choose PNG as the format because PNG preserves sharp edges and supports transparency. Check the transparent background box so your text sits cleanly on any background after flipping. Note that the transparent background option requires Canva Pro. If you are on the free plan, you can still do this by downloading the PNG with a solid high-contrast background and running it through a free background remover tool before bringing it back into Canva. Either way, the goal is a text, only PNG with no background. Now upload that PNG back into your project. Use the Uploads panel or simply drag and drop the file onto your canvas. Position it roughly where you want it to live in your design. At this point, remember that the uploaded text is an image, not an editable text layer. So make any styling changes to the original text and re-export if needed. With the uploaded image selected, go to the top toolbar and click Flip. Choose Flip Horizontal to mirror the text left to right, which is perfect for reflection effects or reversed lettering. Choose Flip Vertical to turn it upside down for a top-to-bottom inversion. After flipping, fine-tune the placement using Canva snapping guides and scale as needed. For crisp results, you can increase the download size slider when exporting the PNG so your flipped text stays sharp, even if you resize it. That's it. Thanks for watching.